Hello students, today we will discuss about profit and loss. Okay, before we will start this topic, let's discuss one example of it. Suppose I bought this marker at 20 rupees. Means what is the cost of this marker? 20 rupees. And one of my friend asking me to give this marker. And I have given this marker to my friend at 25 rupees. Means I am selling this marker at 25 rupees. In this condition, we are getting profit. Why? Because actual cost of this marker is 20 rupees and I am selling this at 25 rupees. So I am getting here 5 rupees profit. Have you understood? So, profit and loss, in this topic, we have to understand few points. And the first point is CP. CP means cost price. Cost price means the price at which we buy a thing. Okay? The price at which we buy a thing is called cost price. As I have given you the example of this marker, I bought this example at 20 rupees. Okay? So, cost price of this marker is 20 rupees. And the next is SP. SP means selling price. Okay, selling price means the price at which we sell a thing. The price at which we sell a thing. Clear? I hope it is clear for you. What is cost price and what is selling price? The next topic is point is overhead charge. Overhead charge. And what is it? Overhead charge, additional cost. Overhead charge means additional cost. Suppose I have purchased this marker at 20 rupees and suppose additional charge like transportation charge, labor charge. Suppose I bought this marker in Delhi and I'm selling it in Rudrapur. Okay, so maybe I can add here few transportation charge. Okay, so additional cost, additional charge is called overhead charge. It will be added in CP. Example, let's take one example. I have taken one already an example of it. The cost price of this marker is what? 20 rupees and I am selling it at 25 rupees. Clear? So in this condition, we are getting here profit. Okay? Means example, let's write it. What is the cost price of this marker? 20 rupees. What is the selling price of this marker? 25 rupees. We are getting here profit because we have bought this marker at 20 rupees and selling at 25. So here we are getting profit. How we can calculate, how we can find profit? By subtracting selling cost price into the selling price, because selling price is greater one. You can see 25 rupees. At this cost you are selling this marker. Okay, so how you will find this profit? SP minus CP. You can see here SP is greater than CP. In which condition? When you are getting profit, SP is greater than CP. See, SP is 25 rupees and CP is 20 rupees. You are getting here profit. So, SP is greater and CP is lesser. Clear? So, when you are getting profit, SP is greater than CP. Okay? And suppose one more example, the same one. Suppose you bought at 20 rupees and you are selling at 15 rupees. The same marker you are selling at 15 rupees. In that condition you are getting loss. Example I am taking here for loss. CP means cost price of this marker is 20 rupees and you are selling the same marker at 15 rupees. You are having the reason why you are selling at 15 rupees. Clear? So in this condition you are getting loss. And how much loss you are getting here? 5 rupees loss, because you have purchased at 20 rupees and you are selling at 15 rupees. You are getting loss here. So you can say that in loss CP is greater. See, CP is greater and SP is smaller. So in loss, CP is greater than SP. Okay. So how you will calculate loss? CP minus SP. CP minus SP. Let us find here profit. How much profit you are getting here? SP minus CP. SP is 25 rupees minus CP is 20 rupees. You are getting here 5 rupees profit. And but in this condition, CP is 20 rupees and SP is 15 rupees. Let's put the value CP 20 rupees minus SP 15 rupees. You are getting here loss of 5 rupees. I hope it is clear for you. Now let's do one more example for overhead charge. Suppose the cost price of this marker is 20 rupees. What is the cost price of this marker? 20 rupees. And you have added here overhead charges. Which kind of overhead charges? I have added transportation charge 5 rupees. Overhead charge I am adding here 5 rupees. Okay. And SP means at which cost I am going to sell this marker. I am selling at 30 rupees. Now tell me what is happening here, profit or loss? So for this condition you will do in this way. See what I have told, that CP is 20 rupees, overhead charge is 5 rupees. Every time you have to add this overhead charge into CP. Okay? Clear? Cost price, in every time you have to add this overhead charge, because you are giving whatever the charge, transportation fee, either labor charge, either any kind of taxes you are giving. Fine. So means you are paying for this overhead charge. So what you will do, you will add in your cost price. Okay. So how you will calculate total CP? The first step for this kind of question is total CP is equals to CP plus overhead charges. Okay. CP plus overhead charge, And you can see here CP is 20 rupees and overhead charge is 5 rupees. 25 rupees is the total CP of this marker. Okay. Now the new CP is 25 rupees. And you are selling this marker at 30 rupees. Now what is happening here? Again profit. See, what is the cost price of this marker? 25 rupees, and you are selling the same marker at 30 rupees. In this condition also you are getting profit. Okay, and profit is, what is the value formula of profit? You know that here SP is greater and CP is what? Smaller. What you will do? SP minus CP. As you know the formula I have given you already. Fine. It is up to you. You are learning the formula or you are learning the concept. If you are learning the formula, is it also okay? It is also okay. Clear? Or you will learn the concept, that is better for you. Clear? So learn the concept. What is the how you can find the profit? Profit is equals to SP minus CP. Now put the value here. SP is 30 rupees according to the question. CP is 25 rupees. We are getting here 5 rupees profit. Okay. So what is the profit for this question? 5 rupees. Is it clear? I hope the concept of profit and loss is clear for you. Okay. So let's do the exercise part. So students, we have discussed the concept of profit and loss. Now let's do the exercise part of this topic. Okay. So the first question is find profit oblique loss in each cases. You need to find either profit is happening or loss is happening in this question. See, cost price is 200 rupees and selling price is 260 rupees. So what is happening here? Of course, you are buying the thing at 200 rupees and you are selling the thing at the same thing at 260 rupees. So you are getting here profit. Okay. So what is the formula for profit? As I have discussed with you, SP minus CP. SP minus CP. Put the value. SP is 260 rupees. CP is 200 rupees. So, how much profit you are getting? 60 rupees profit. Okay. So, in this question, what is happening here? Profit of 60 rupees. Let us do second question. CP is given 181 rupees. SP is given 220 rupees. Overhead charges also given 17 rupees. As I have discussed with you, overhead charges means any kind of tax or other charges like transportation, labor, these kind of charges. Okay. So this overhead charges will be added in the CP and you will find the total CP. So find first total CP. Total CP, CP plus overhead charges. Okay. So CP is in the question given 181 rupees plus overhead charges 17 rupees. Okay. When you will add this 181 and 17, you will get 198. Okay. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. And then 8, 1. So, 198 rupees is the total CP for this question. Means you have purchased, you can say you have purchased the item at 198 rupees and you are selling the same item at 220 rupees. So in this condition also you are getting here profit. So how you will find the profit for this? profit equals to SP minus CP. Okay, so put the value for this. SP is 220 rupees minus CP 198 rupees. You will get here 22 rupees profit. Okay, so what is happening in this question? Profit of 22 rupees. Let's do one more question. CP is given 750 rupees, means you are buying a thing at 750 rupees. You are selling the same thing at 700 rupees. See here, you are buying at higher price and selling at lower cost. Okay, so in this condition you are getting here loss. And how you will find loss? CP minus SP. Yes, CP is 750 rupees in the question and SP is 700 rupees is given in the question. How you will find it? Subtract, and in this question 50 rupees loss is happening. Clear? I hope it is clear for you. Let us do question number 2. In question number 2, SP you have to find in each case and CP is given, profit is given. Okay, so for this CP means cost price is 835 rupees and profit you are getting here 65 rupees. See, the question is asking you have to find here selling price, at what cost you will sell the thing so that you will get profit of 65 rupees. For this kind of question, use the formula CP plus profit, means how you will find selling price by adding profit in the CP. You have the value of CP and profit, put the value here. Selling cost price is 835 rupees plus profit 65 rupees. What is SP? Add ₹900 is the cost price, means when you will sell the thing at 900 rupees, you will get profit of 65 rupees. Okay? Clear, students? Next question is the same one. CP is given, profit is given, and here one more thing given, overhead charges. We have already discussed when overhead charges is given in the question, you have to add this overhead charge into the CP, and first of all you have to find the total CP. So let's find total CP. Total CP is equals to CP plus overhead charges. CP is given 9,530 rupees plus overhead charges 180 rupees. Let us add this and find the total CP of this. ₹9,710 is the total CP, means cost price of the item. Okay, and for this, when you are selling this item, you are getting here 725 rupees profit. So at which cost you will sell the item so that you will get this much profit? So for this case also you have to use the same formula, that is SP is equals to CP plus profit. Okay, what is the formula? CP plus profit. CP, which CP you will take? You will take the total CP. You have calculated here total CP 9,710 plus profit is 725. So what is the SP? Means at which cost you will sell the thing so that you will get the profit 725. So the price is, add this and find. Means at 10,435 rupees you will sell the thing and you will get 725 rupees profit. Clear, students?